Well, now to an update on that Henry Ford hospital shooting back in August. The Detroit man accused of killing his ex-wife inside the hospital will stand trial.
The shooting leaving people across Metro Detroit fearing for the worst at what should be a place of healing.
Police say Mario Green walked into the Detroit campus, shot his ex-wife, then left the scene. Green was arrested early the next morning.
But today's testimony brought new light to the case through witness accounts and new surveillance videos. 7 News Detroit reporter Darren Cunningham talking with Brown's loved ones today outside the courtroom. Darren?
It's the beginning of justice for us.
Deonda and Dia Easley tell me they left court feeling overwhelmed with new information regarding their cousin Latricia Brown's death, on top of facing her alleged killer, Mario Green. Brown divorced Green in 2018. Detroit police say the 53-year-old killed his ex-wife when he showed up to her job at Henry Ford Hospital August 22nd. On the stand, one of her coworkers recalled Green's interaction with the victim seconds before the shooting.
Do you recall the nature of the conversation between Mario and Trish?
He was just asking her questions like, oh, I need help with a bill. Can you come out to the hall? And she was working and answering his questions.
What happens next after you hear their conversation?
I heard a gunshot.
Brown's coworker, who says she didn't see where the shot came from, called 911.
Where was Trish?
In the room with me, on the floor dead.
Coincidentally, the officer in charge of the case, Isaac Lamas, testified that he happened to be at the hospital already.
I was investigating a homicide that happened a couple hours prior.
Lamas says he started searching the building for the suspect, but by then, Green had already left. Green shouldn't have been there in the first place. The 40-year-old victim had filed multiple personal protection orders against him for stalking and vandalism. Take a look. This officer-worn body camera footage shows Green at her job in April.
So what's going on with you? I'm talking to you though. She don't talk because I didn't call you. She called you. Hey, can I get additional officers? That's my wife. I don't threaten her.
A judge denied her PPO request in June, but a PPO was approved in July. However, it was never served. After Brown's murder, Green was on the run, sparking a large-scale manhunt. His car was spotted in northwest Detroit hours after the shooting, but it wasn't until early the next morning that he was arrested on the city's east side. Green's defense attorney maintains his client's innocence, calling it a shoddy investigation.
I don't see how we get to Mr. Green as being the shooter, or that he was stalking, or that he was there without consent.
Latricia didn't deserve what happened to her at all. And our prayer is that no one else, no other family has to go through what we went through, and that Latricia's words will be received and heard and justice will be served.
Green's next court date is December 26. Outside 36th District Court, Darren Cunningham, 7 News Detroit.
Darren, thank you. And we